Hey guys, so welcome to my channel, first of all. I'm kind of new to YouTube, so this is kind of like my first very big video that I'm doing. This is me getting ready to do the big chop off all my hair. Super nervous in this video, as you can see. I was so scared to do this. But I did it, and I am so glad that I did. Hold on, what am I doing? Oh, I gotta get my hair wet. I was gonna use that spray bottle, but that would have taken way too long, so I'm dunking my head in the sink right now. I'm just gonna get it all wet. So while I'm doing that, yeah, I just wanted to start over with my hair. I actually had really long hair down to like my waist almost. No, maybe not that long, just a little bit past my boobs. And just it was just a hassle getting in my way all the time. It was super unhealthy and dry and brittle, and just it was the situation where it would get really poofy at the bottom. So I decided to cut it, and I cut it into layers, and the layers that I cut I did myself, and they didn't work. It actually turned into what looked kind of like a mullet or whatever. I messed that up. So I tried to cut it again and again, and I ended up with what you see now. And I hated that. What I've got now in this video here that you see is just, I hated it. Ugly. Yuck. Every time I looked in the mirror, I was just bothered. So I decided, let's get rid of it all. Let's start over. So that's what I'm doing. Gotta get your hair ties. I'm doing this in secret. Nobody knows that I'm doing this. So that's why I'm like trying to be super quiet, and like I keep looking over there at the door. I'm in the bathroom, obviously. You can see the shower door behind me. Takes me forever to get it parted, though, so I'm crazy. Yeah, I'm crazy. Who isn't? But yeah. My boyfriend was so angry with me when he found out what I had done. He did not want me to do this. I kept talking about how I wanted to do it, and I'm just gonna do it, why not? Just to start over, it'll be cool, like, it'll grow back real quick, and he's all, no, don't you dare. And so, well, I kept wanting to do it, just couldn't stop thinking about it, so I had to do it. Once I get something in my mind, I have to follow through. I don't know why. I just have to. It's just me. So it takes me about a year to part my hair. So, yeah. And it takes me like forever to get it right. Let's see if I can jump to when it's good to go. So hold on. Okay, so I think now I've got my hair ready to be cut. So here I go, and I can't do it. What am I doing? Why can't I do this? Can I really do this? Should I do this? These are the thoughts going in my head right now. I can do this. No, I can't. Okay, so I can do it. I came back. I had to leave, recollect, and I came back. And I'm really struggling with this. I'm really struggling. I'm just going through so many thoughts in my mind. Just couldn't get myself to do it. Look at me. Oh my gosh. Do it. I want to. But oh my gosh, it's such a commitment. It is a huge commitment to make. As you know, it's going to be a couple years before I get it back to how it was. I can do it. Just trying to... Oh my my gosh, I'm so scared and trying to just... It's just a total... Because, you know, you never really think you're gonna do it. When you think about it for so long, but you just never can do it. And now it comes down to actually doing it, and you're like totally second guessing it. Do it, it'll grow back. Come on, girl, just do it already. Oh, yes, just do it. There I go. Finally. Then I realized, oh my gosh, this is like a lot harder than I thought, because my hair was so thick. It took forever to get it off. I had to split the scissors in half, or I split the ponytail in half with the scissors. You know what I mean? Like, yeah. I did it! I can't believe I did that. That is insane. I'm shaking. I'm so scared. But the adrenaline, just totally strong. Okay. Now I'll let you watch the rest of it without my talking.